Yo, what is happening, everybody? You already know who it is, and you know what time it is. Today we out here on the James. It's that time of the year where the shad are running like crazy. I wanted to get in the boat, but you know, that's a whole nother story. You know that, and that's really besides the point. We are out here at the river. We're gonna try to get into some shad, so you guys just stay tuned, keep rocking with me. Oh, and yo, the channel is growing like crazy. You guys are the dopest people out there. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and click the little bell notification. That way you'll be notified anytime that I post something fishing related. And without further ado, let's get it. Shad. It's really muddy and nasty down here too. I'm gonna stand back a little bit. They are right here. There's no doubt about it. Fish are right here. I think what's holding me back is the size of my spoon that I got this morning. See, that was just a hit right there. Got him. Got him, guys. First shad. First shad. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, buddy, that's what we came out here for, guys. Big old hickory shad. Hey, bruh, chill. Chill. Okay. That's cool too. But yeah, guys, that's what we came out here for. Oh, now you're getting yourself all dirty. All right, bro. All right, man. Bruh, is you gonna chill? Look at him. You just get out of here. All that white stuff. Damn. Reeling too slow. One was, oh, I saw him eat it. I saw him eat it. Let's go, guys. Let's go, number two. All right. If I can work my way down here to this spoon. All right, bro. All right, man. Look, yeah, you just calm down a little bit, okay? Dang. Making me work so hard. Another one off the hook. I can't get a picture with him. But anyway, the next one I'm gonna get a picture with. It ain't gonna take me that long. All right, dude. Later. Oh my gosh, he stoned it. Oh, he stoned it. Let's go. All right, mini tarpon. There's one. There we go. That's a decent one. Yes, sir. Another hick, dog. All right, I'm gonna get a picture with you if you chill out. Just calm down. Calm down. You ain't going nowhere, broski. You got that hook all the way in your mouth. Oh man, come on with the white juice, man. Throwing the white juice on me. Keep that way. Oh my gosh, right at the bank, guys. Big one. Big one. Oh boy, yikes. He is full of energy. Oh my goodness. Look at that one, guys. That's a big one. That's the biggest one I caught today so far. Look at that one, dude. Oh my gosh, that's a big shad. Look at him compared to my arm. He goes down to about my forearm. This one got away like a pound at least. Oh man. Don't be squirting that white stuff on me, bro. Golly. Yes. Yes. Man, that was a big shad. Smashed it right at the bank. Turn it up. Oh my gosh. He really hit that. He really hit that. I hope you guys saw how he stoned that thing. Let's go. And he's off. That was pretty freaking cool. All right, guys, look like we done found a little bit of stride here. We've been out here for maybe like 40 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. Got 4 or 5 hooked up. The reason I don't have more, I'm thinking is because my spoon's too big. I just got some spoons that I had laying around the house, and I was using the little bit smaller spoon. So, I mean, I would have more, but I'm still enjoying myself. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Keep rocking with me, and let's get after some more. Let's get it. Oh, another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a big one, guys. This is a big shad. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh man. Guys, he freaking stoned that thing. Stoned it. That's the biggest one I caught today so far. If I can get you unhooked here, if you calm down enough. All right. Look at that, guys. Man, it's a pretty big hit right there. You hook like right in the bottom of the jaw too. Hey, mini tarpon, come on. Get out of here. Come on, man, don't act like that, bro. I'm about to say, do not act like that. I did not have you out here to the point you thought you was gonna die. Oh gosh, way out there. Is he still there? Yeah, he's still there. Oh, little mini tarpon with the chalk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, guys. All right. Okay. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir, guys. We're doing awesome. Ooh. 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 Mini tarpon. Mini tarp. He's a mini tarp. Smashed it. Smashing the spoon. They loving it, guys. Another one. All right, bro. Come on, chill out. Just 1 second. If you let me get you loose. There you go. Come on, you can find your way. Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it. You're almost there. Come on, don't give up. Come on, buddy. Don't give up, man. Don't give up. There you go. I'm gonna show you guys my setup real quick. I'm gonna show you my setup. So you guys been asking me questions about what I've been using to catch shad during the shad run. You need to get down here to the river now. You get you a 1/2 ounce sinker, a 1/2 ounce egg sinker to any type of swivel that you would like. Then I got my leader is about 16 inches, fluorocarbon 10-pound leader, 16 inches. Then you got to get you a Johnson minnow spoon. This one right here is 1/16th or 1/18th, 1/16th Johnson spoon. Make sure you get the feathers, gold or silver. They have them in a variety of colors, but that's my setup, guys. That's what I'm using to catch these shad. All right, this is my last cast and I gotta go. Last cast, guys. But we did all right for being here only 45 minutes. Oh, on the last cast. On the last cast. On the last cast, we got one, guys. Yes, sir. There we go. There we go. All right. Self-release. Go ahead. You almost got it. You almost got it, bro. You almost got it. There you go. There you go. Nope, nope, nope. You're wrapping it wrong way. Wrong. Well, you just need a little assistance. There you go. There you go. All right, dude. Yes. All right, guys. It's about that time. I gotta get out of here. It's raining. I mean, but the fishing is great. You guys have never been down here to the river, the James River, to catch some shad, man. Get down here. It's an awesome time. Don't forget to go check out www.gonefishing804.com. Grab you some merch. Help support your boy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, you know, with that being said, keep them lines wet because it's all about the hook set. Let's go.